In this course, we will explore essential hardware information commands that are crucial for understanding and managing your system's hardware. We'll begin with an introduction to the importance of hardware information, followed by a detailed look at the lspci command for PCI devices, including how to filter its output. Next, we'll examine the lsusb command to list USB devices and visualize the device tree. We'll then dive into dmidecode, which provides in-depth system information. Finally, we'll conduct a hands-on lab to apply what we've learned and summarize the key commands covered. In Linux, there are several powerful commands for listing and inspecting hardware information. These commands allow system administrators to view detailed information about the system's components, such as PCI devices, USB devices, and system BIOS details. Understanding how to retrieve hardware information is essential for troubleshooting hardware issues, managing drivers, and verifying system configurations. Let's explore three important commands: lspci, lsusb, and dmidecode. Understanding hardware information in Linux is vital for several reasons. First, it equips system administrators with the ability to diagnose and troubleshoot hardware issues effectively. When problems arise, having detailed insights into components like PCI and USB devices can help pinpoint the source of the issue. Additionally, managing drivers becomes easier when you can identify the specific hardware in use, ensuring that the right drivers are installed and updated. Furthermore, verifying system configurations is essential for maintaining security and stability. Knowing the hardware components allows administrators to ensure compatibility with software and system requirements. Overall, mastering these commands empowers users to optimize performance, enhance system reliability, and streamline maintenance tasks, making it a crucial skill in any Linux environment. The lspci command lists all PCI peripheral component interconnect devices on the system. PCI devices include things like network interface cards, sound cards, graphics cards, and other hardware that connects to the system's motherboard. The lsusb command lists all USB devices connected to the system. USB devices include peripherals like keyboards, mice, storage devices, printers, and webcams. The dmidecode command is used to retrieve information from the system's DMI Desktop Management Interface table, which includes details about the system's hardware components, such as BIOS version, CPU information, memory configuration, and motherboard details. The lspci command will output a list of all PCI devices detected by the system, along with their respective vendor and device IDs. To get more detailed information about each PCI device, use the v4 verbose option. To filter and display only specific types of devices, example network devices, you can use grep lspci grep Ethernet. If you need to see vendor and device IDs in their numeric form, which is useful for identifying unknown devices, use lspci n. The lsusb command lists all USB devices connected to the system. USB devices include peripherals like keyboards, mice, storage devices, printers, and webcams. The basic command is lsusb. This command outputs a list of all USB devices currently connected to the system, showing the bus number, device ID, vendor ID, and device name. To get more detailed information about each USB device, use the v for verbose option, lsusb. This option provides details about each USB device, such as the maximum power usage, endpoints, and supported protocols. Please note that this command can generate a lot of output, especially if there are many devices connected. If you're looking for specific devices, such as storage devices or webcams, you can filter the output by issuing lsusb grep iStorage. In order to display a hierarchical view of the USB devices, execute lsusb-t. This will show how the devices are connected in terms of their tree structure, including the speed. Here are some example output when executing the lsusb command. The lsusb is used to identify connected USB devices, such as external storage, USB keyboards, printers, or webcams. It is also helpful when troubleshooting USB device recognition issues. The dmidecode command is used to retrieve information from the system's DMI or desktop management interface table, which includes details about the system's hardware components, such as BIOS version, CPU information, memory configuration, and motherboard details. The basic command is sudo dmidecode. Since dmidecode retrieves low-level system information, it requires superuser privileges, hence the use of sudo. The command outputs a detailed list of system components, organized into various sections. For specific information, you can use dmidecode to retrieve specific types of information. For example, to display only the BIOS information by issuing sudo dmidecode BIOS. Other common options include T-system to display system information like manufacturer, product name, and version. Another option is the T-memory command that shows memory-related information such as the total number of memory slots and the memory capacity. The purpose of dmidecode to gather detailed information about the hardware components that are essential for system inventory, BIOS updates, or memory upgrades. It is also useful when troubleshooting hardware compatibility or performance issues. The lspci, lsusb, and dmidecode commands are powerful tools for listing and inspecting hardware on Linux systems. By mastering these commands, you can gather crucial information about the system's components, troubleshoot hardware issues, and ensure compatibility with installed drivers.